Hi folks, and welcome to another episode of Apps for Success. As always, I am your host, John Bowman, and I just wanted to pause before we dive into our app this month to say thank you. You folks have been wonderful with feedback and suggestions for apps to review. It's been great. Keep it coming. That's the only way I can improve. Just tell me what you want to see, tell me how you think this can improve, and I promise I'll listen. Now, this month we're going to be talking about an app called Jing. Some of you may have heard of Jing, some not. Jing is an app that allows you to take screenshots and record video on your computer. Now you may be thinking, I've already got apps that do this, or I already don't need an app. I can just use whatever's built inside of my computer. You can. But I personally love Jing because what it does is allows you to annotate and share your screenshots and videos much easier than apps out there that I've found. So before we dive into Jing, as always, I have a little joke for you. And this joke is dedicated to our dear friend, James Scott of Success Hacker. So James, why aren't there any penguins in Britain? Because they're afraid of whales. On to the app, folks. Okay, folks, here we are. We're at techsmith.com/jing-tool.html. This is the product, Jing. It's got that trademark yellow look to it. So you're going to download the tool and install it on your computer. Once you install it on your computer, it's going to show up like this. See that? This yellow sun on the right side of my screen. Now you can take it, you can click and you can drag it, and if you click and drag it, you can move it around your screen. See that? You can move it to different parts. We can move it over here to the left if we want to, or we can, oh, looks like it didn't want to go over there, probably because my dock's over there. Let's see. Let's click and drag and move this guy. Ooh, there we go. Go a little bit slower for you so you can see. On the right hand side, see that? Pulls it back up. That's great. Maybe down here below, we can always take it and put it down on the bottom there. The point is you want to take it and you want to put it in a place on the screen that is unobtrusive, right? So you're always going to be able to go to it and know that you can use it anytime you need it, but it's going to hide when you don't need it. So one of the main points in the written post is that I love the way the screenshot works with Jing. It's a great way for you to express exactly what you're trying to say to your customers in a really quick and easy manner. So we're going to use a little example, our favorite community here, right? The outcomes community, where you guys are watching this. And maybe, you might want to explain to somebody how to see the members inside the outcomes community, right? Now you might want to say, log into outcomes. Once you're there, you're going to look on the left-hand side in the toolbar. There's going to be a member section. Click there. Or what you could do is go to Jing, click this little crosshair. When you click this crosshair, you're going to see that yellow crosshair move around the screen for me? You can use the crosshair and click and drag it, like so. And it'll give you the option to capture as an image, capture as a video. We're not really going to get too much in the video here. I prefer to use Loom for that, but if you wanted to, you can use a video. We'll show you how to do that too a little bit later. But you can redo the selection and cancel. We're just going to capture as an image. And once we capture as an image, something I mentioned inside the post too is that it just automatically picks the arrow selection. See that right there? So all you need to do is click and drag and you can point to the member section in order to call it out to the person that you're trying to explain where to go for the members. If you want to, you can even use a box selector here and you can create a little box like that in order to show them exactly what you're talking about. And perhaps you might want to give them written instructions too. So we're going to say, click here. See that? You can change the font, you can change the color, maybe we want it to be black. We can do that. That's not hard, right? Jing is really simple and really easy in this way, and that's why I love it. It just automatically allows you to start editing what you're trying to do. You can also highlight certain areas, right? We can select this and highlight it. We can always undo things that we've done, but it's a very, very simple tool. It's very easy. Another great thing about Jing is that down here below, it'll start uploading the photo for you to screencast.com, right? Because you're not always going to be able to copy and paste this. So for example, let me copy and hit that copy option. And we're going to go in here and we're going to hit the compose. And then inside my email, I wanted to paste it. And look at, I just pasted it, right? Using keyboard shortcuts. But maybe a program won't allow me to paste it, right? Or maybe, one of your customers in a really locked down environment, they're not going to let videos be displayed. So what you could do is share via screencast by clicking this button. Once you do, it's going to automatically upload that to screencast.com. If we were to click it There we go. We're going to see it's going to take us directly to screencast.com where it's already uploaded. It's just an easy way to get people to see exactly what you're talking about. Right? Now, we also mentioned that Jing can record video if you want to, so we'll be remiss if we didn't show you that. Again, we'll click the capture option, and then we're going to select a portion of the screen and just select the video option. Once we select the video option, you're going to see it's going to say muted, right? And now there's an unmute option here for the microphone if you want to, and you can record the audio. You can see it's got the little reels so that you can know that you're recording, right? It's only recording within that set area. And then you'll notice again, it caps out about 5 minutes, which isn't too bad. So we're going to stop this. Once we stop it, it's largely the same as we did with the, oh no, hold on a second. Let's share this via screencast.com. The preview wouldn't work for me, that's okay. So we're going to share it via screencast.com. If we click it just like we did previously, it will bring you to screencast.com where my Adobe's not working. There we go, sorry about that. I just had to enable the Adobe. And what we'll see is exactly what we were doing. Right, I'm going to hit the play option. See that? Really easy. It'll record also the audio and play the audio back for you anytime someone's looking. So I just love the ease of sharing your video, again, and sharing your pictures. Another great thing about Jing down here below is that there's the history right here, so you can click the history option. Once you do, it's got a history of everything that you've ever used Jing for in the past, right? It automatically names the files with the date too. I love that. Another great thing you can do is sort it or viewing by size. And then if we hover over here, the final thing is this settings. Once you get to the settings are really, really easy. You might want to go into preferences here in order to change your account, etc., and change options if you want to as well. There's also a hotkey, should you choose Shift Command 1 for Mac. You know, it's probably going to be a little bit different if you're on a PC. But again, that's Jing. That's all it does. It's really, really simple. I'm going to use a hotkey here, and if I click Shift Command 1, right, and then I just select the area I want, do a little photo. I'm going to call out our previous post you might see here. That's pretty good. Check out Crystal if you haven't. I really loved Crystal as well. But again, this is Jing. Jing is very simple for you to share exactly what's on your screen with the person that you're trying to explain it to. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully we'll talk soon. Have a great day.